we are going to see yet another tutorial of how we can use AI for our graphics designing project. To give you some idea, what I wanted to do was I wanted to design some graphics for our e-commerce site. And the reason behind this was, as you see, we don't have a very consistent brand image with regards to how our banners. So here there's a different font or different colors, and here there's different font, different colors, and this goes across the entire site. So I wanted to design some graphics by giving some commands to have a consistent brand image, and we wanted to have a brand kit ready so that we can use the same format, the same color style for each of the graphics that we do, so that there's uniformity and we can convey the same things no matter whether we use it on social media or our site or YouTube channel, anywhere. So there's a lot of inconsistency currently with regards to how we use it. For example, uh, this is our YouTube channel, and these are our videos. In case if you see all the videos, they're not at all uniform. So this is the problem that I was trying to solve, and I also needed some graphics for category and subcategory pages. So I'll show you what I was looking for. So I was looking for these kind of banners. I wanted to generate a brand kit first, and then this kind of banners for each of the category and subcategory pages. uh, so I searched for a number of AI tools, but I am yet to find a AI tool that helps in graphics designing as such. But I came across a really good design tool which basically helps in website design. So for example, we're just going to give a command here, and it basically would generate the entire screens for us. So we try this. This is a paid version of the app, and an app to discover recipes that tastes bad, something else, an app to discover new AI tools. Okay, and you just write how you need the design to be: modern, futuristic, clean, elegant, whatever it is, and just click on generate my project. Now it takes a bit of time for it to generate the project, and this company, so uizard, really has some good tutorials on YouTube. You can go to the YouTube channel and learn a lot of things basically. Yeah.
Bedroom isn't responding. Please check its network connection and power supply.
So yeah, it's taking some time, but basically all the functions that we currently saw in the video is all available here. I tried a couple of them. The app is not 100% perfect, but it's basically a very, very good starting point. We're just going to view a sample shortly. Okay, so it's the first page, and this is all generated by the AI, and this is in a matter of minutes actually. It basically generated this login screen. After that, tool name, tool category, which I think is pretty decent. Tool features, I'm not sure what this means. This also I'm not sure, but it basically is divided into image, video. I'm not sure what this means. Then there's a tool marketplace, search tools, discover AI tools. Then apart from that, AI model generator. You see and this, it has come up with all these functions all by itself: AI data analysis, AI music tools, AI fashion tools, and all that. Then it lets you explore the tool. It has a rating, review, price, basically a set of details. I'm not sure what this means. AI discover. But basically, this is a very good starting point in case if you're giving it a command and in a matter of minutes, actually 2-3 minutes, it's able to generate so much. I think it's able to generate quite a lot. And then there's this magic tool, and you can use a lot of different functions here. For example, there's this screenshot scanner. If we just upload a screenshot, basically it will try to model the same website. So for example, let's try this. It will probably turn this into green. Okay. There's an option by which you can apply the theme to the entire project. uh, I just forgot where it is, but we can do that, and then we can just basically go and edit here also. So we can, it's still loading. You can go, it just turns it into an editable format. So all these are really cool. I mean, for something that is generated in a matter of minutes, I found this tool to be very useful. However, I'm still getting a refund for my paid subscription because I wanted to use this tool for graphics design and not to generate a kind of app or a kind of web interface. But in case if you're looking to generate that, this could be a very good uh, tool to just start your ideation. And in case if you click on regenerating, I think it basically gives you a lot of different ideas. So something, a feature that's probably not in here, you can get it into another video and things like that. So this is really a cool tool to try. Thank you. Let me know in the feedback how you found this tool. And in case if you do know of a graphic designing tool to generate graphics by commands, and a tool by which we can just upload a brand kit and it basically utilizes that to create graphics, please do let me know. Thank you.